Kynhun Myntri kabalong hakat tarik naitung aja arpoi kala Mynjur pdiang pyntreikam no ek youth policy jylla namar jylla kamdon kano ko policy halor ki samla iakren iathuh Myntri rangbah jylla CONRAD ki SANGMA hadien blawai jingialang sngi.
As you're aware, Meghalaya does not have a youth policy. 15 to 29 is the age group which we define as youth. 31% of our population falls in this category. It is absolutely necessary that the government comes out with a clear policy on how we plan to channelize the energy of these youths so that they can work constructively for themselves, for their family, and for the state and the country as a whole. But just to give you an idea, we have tried to cover different aspects of what is important for the youth and what is important for the state. What is the objective of the state, where the state would like to see the youth and where the youth would like to see themselves. So with these two objectives, we have tried to bring in aspects that will try to address the issues for the government as well as for the youth, whether it has to do with unemployment, employment opportunities, whether it has to do with leadership, whether it has to do with skill development, environmental issues, whether it's to do with sports, education, whether it has to do with health and wellness. All these factors have been connected and put into this policy. And at the same time, we have a 50-point agenda, which also has been created where different activities will take place. And in this 15-point agenda, the different activities will also be monitored on a monthly, quarterly, or a biannual basis.
Nalor youth policy Kynhun Myntri iakren kiwei part kiman.